Okay, now it's auction day. On auction day, these are my pro tips for making the auction go smoothly and placing yourself in a better position to have a favourable outcome. So you've decided your budget, you've given it a lot of thought, you've bounced the ideas around with a sounding board or two. Now get to the auction early and check the number of registered bidders. Why? Well, it's giving yourself knowledge and confidence. You know that there's 3 other bidders. I would hover around and just see if you can see. So get there early, see who's registering to bid. Have your final price limit written down. Ask a friend to take a video of the auction so you can play it back and evaluate your performance. It's interesting to watch your body language and the body language of the auctioneer and other bidders. Try and have your friend stand back and include as many bidders as well as the auctioneer in the video if possible. Introduce yourself to the auctioneer with confidence and professionalism. Have a chat with them. Build some rapport with them and explain that you like the home. Don't talk about what your price is or what you think of the home. Don't give them fodder to apply pressure later. Just talk to them, talk about the weather. Let the other bidders see that you're talking to the auctioneer. They'll just assume that you're friends with the auctioneer. They'll just assume maybe they'll assume you work with the auctioneer. You're standing there talking to them before the auction. Maybe your paddle is hidden in your pocket under your jacket, and so they don't see that you're a registered bidder because you got there first, you registered first. Stand near the auctioneer during the auction so that you can see the other bidders, their faces and their body language. So can you imagine that if you were talking to the auctioneer before the auction started and then you start bidding, all of a sudden these people who saw you talking to the auctioneer and assumed you worked with him, they're like, oh, well, why is wow, they must know the auctioneer. It does throw people. 5 minutes before the auction starts, check where the other bidders are standing. Make sure you know where the other bidders are and watch their body language. And we've got a whole bit on body language. So that's what I tell people to do and what we do when we're preparing for an auction and it's auction day. Get there early, stay tuned, keep your eyes peeled.